I wanted to do an unboxing video so I could show you what all comes with this 30-quart turkey fryer and 10-quart fish fryer. These items come together in this unit. You have your manual, of course, and then here is a strainer ladle for dipping out your fish out of the grease or your vegetables out of the boiling water, whatever you need it for. Here is the burner to hook the gas regulator to. This is where your flame comes from. And here is the gas line that you hook up to your propane tank and also to the burner. This handle here goes to your strainer basket so you can lift it up out of the grease. This is a protectant plate that goes down there around the burner. And you even get a long turkey thermometer. Isn't that cool? It also comes with a baster for basting your turkey. They've thought of everything. Here we have a hook for lifting your turkey up out of the pot. Here is the strainer grease basket, and it has a handle on it. You can fry a lot of stuff in this basket. Here is a smaller strainer basket which fits perfect in the 10-quart pot. Now hang around because we are fixing to cook some crab legs. So the water is heated up very fast and it's starting to boil. So I'm going to begin putting my crab legs in there. Ooh, there you go. And this pot is huge. So you can use it for boiling or, of course, frying. And I do plan to use the smaller, the 10-quart, for frying some fish later. So I'm putting these 3 bags in, but there's still going to be room for another bag. This is great if you're having a party or barbecue and want to cook a lot at once. Oops. Those crab legs are going to be delicious. I can taste them now. Give that just a little while. Let's just see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. It's been cooking maybe 10 minutes. It should be about done. So I'm going to turn off the burner. Oh yeah, look at all these delicious crab legs. If you don't like crab legs, I don't know what to tell you because they are my favorite. Mine and my family love them. And you can see I just keep getting these out of the pot. Woo. I don't know if I can get them all in the pot and the pan. There we go. Dinner is served.